today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make layers and also groups in Photoshop. So let's get started.
Let's understand the layers. Layers contain the images, text, and objects. They let you move, edit, and work with content on one layer without affecting content on other layers. I'm going to show you on how to enable layers on Photoshop. The layer should be on your right side of your desktop. To enable layer, go to Windows and click Layers. Here are some tips on how to enable layer. First of all, a layer must be selected in order to make changes to it. Secondly, click once to the right of a layer name to select that layer. Third, click twice on the layer's name to rename the layer. Now, let's learn groups. Grouping layers helps organize your projects and keeps your layers panel uncluttered. By linking layers, you establish a relationship between them even if they are not next to each other in your layer order.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye!